In today's video, folks, I'm going to show you how to earn thousands of dollars by promoting CPA marketing offers on a nifty platform called CPA.com. And guess what? Even if you're a beginner, you'll be making passive income online with CPA marketing. We'll be focusing on offers targeted at the United States, and to promote these, we'll be harnessing the power of Reddit. Now, you might be wondering why Reddit. Well, Reddit is a treasure trove of traffic. According to similar web statistics, Reddit raked in about 2.2 billion visits in the last 28 days. If you scroll down to the bottom of the stats page, you'll see that the United States accounts for 47.89% of this traffic. That's nearly half. The United Kingdom comes in at 7.51%, Canada at 6.93%, Australia at 4.29%, and Germany at 2.96%. This is why we're zeroing in on the United States offers, because Americans just can't get enough of Reddit. So, the first step is to head over to CPA Grip and create an account. Click on Register, and you'll be brought to a form. Fill it out, paying special attention to the fields marked with red asterisks. Those are the mandatory ones. Also, don't forget to agree to the terms of service by checking the boxes. If you're feeling adventurous, you can read through the terms of service by clicking on the link. Once you've filled out the form, click Register to create your account and then log in. Upon logging in, you'll land on a page that looks like this. Imagine a virtual drumroll. Click on the Offer Tools option, then select My Offers from the drop-down list. You'll be brought to a page similar to the one I'm showing here. To focus on United States offers, filter your results by selecting the United States. You can also filter by categories and other features, but for now, let's keep it simple. Take a look at the offers. These are all targeted at the US demographic. If you click on Payout, it will sort the offers based on their payout. You'll see some pretty enticing offers. For instance, if you select this offer here, you'll get all the juicy details. This particular offer requires users to install and play a simple puzzle game on an Android device. Once they do, you'll earn $1.28. And all they need to do is use your unique affiliate link. So, that's actually easy, right? Now, you can also check out this offer here. It's a cool one. This is another mobile install offer. Depending on which one you're sticking with, simply right-click on the image, select Save Image As, and save it to your device. We're going to use that later in this video. Next, guys, just copy the link to this particular offer. Once you have the link, you can create a landing page. But for now, head over to platforms like tinyurl.com or any other link-shortening website. Paste your lengthy URL in the provided section, click Shorten URL, and voila, you get a neat, new link. Copy that link and head on over to Reddit to promote your offer. Once on Reddit, focus on a subreddit that aligns with your offer. For instance, if you're promoting a puzzle-related offer, look for subreddits dedicated to deals, technology, or, you guessed it, puzzles. Let's say your offer involves playing a simple puzzle game where users can download the app using your unique affiliate link. For every download, you earn a sweet $128. Now, don't rush into promoting your offers right away. Patience is a virtue. Spend 2 to 3 days engaging with other people's posts in your chosen subreddit. Join the subreddit first. You're now a member, congrats. Dive into the posts and start commenting, liking, and generally being a good digital citizen. This will help increase your engagement and credibility. People are more likely to trust and click on your link if they see you as an active and genuine member of the community. Make sure your comments during these days are valuable and not spammy. You want to leave cool and insightful comments, not promotional content. After building some rapport over a few days, you can create your post. You might even wait a bit longer to ensure people really know you. Once you're ready to post your offer, you're good to go. Remember, it's all about building trust and engaging genuinely. Click on Create a Post, and voila, you're ready to craft a masterpiece for this particular subreddit. Give it a cool title, something catchy about puzzles. Take a look at this. The title says, Brain-cracking puzzles people can't solve. Now, isn't that intriguing? It's a clever way to lure in curious minds eager to test their wits. For the body, keep it simple. Write a brief description about the puzzle and add an image. Now, here's the fun part. Upload that image we snagged from CPA Group earlier. Select it, and ta-da! The image is in place. Next, draft a short, enticing text. Leave them a little puzzled, perhaps, with something like, Think you can solve this? Click here. Highlight the "Click Here" text, click on the chain icon, the link tool, and add your CPA marketing link. Then, hit Save. Anyone who clicks "Click Here" will be whisked away to your CPA offer. If they complete it, you earn a sweet affiliate commission. Since a significant chunk of users are from the United States, you're looking at some promising earnings from qualified leads. When you're ready, go ahead and post it. Remember to use a compelling description for your offer, something that sparks curiosity. And, to make things easier, you can always enlist the help of ChatGPT to generate intriguing text. Be careful, though. You don't want your account to get banned. Consider using tools like anti-detect browsers to keep things smooth and stealthy. If you found this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up? I create tons of videos on making money online, and my channel is packed with cool strategies you can replicate. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tips. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.